Hey and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Johannes and I will show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. So Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange, and it's something I've personally been using, and I can recommend it to anyone who's completely new to cryptocurrency or just wants to buy, Bitcoin. I've bought some myself. They accept credit cards, so it's very convenient and practical right now. And I will leave a link below where if you sign up through my link, you will receive 5% kickback on trading fees, etc. So I can really recommend you check it out and actually sign up through my link. So it will take you to a page that looks like this, where you will create a free account. So I won't take you through this sign up process. It should be very simple. But when you've signed up, I will show you exactly how you can buy Bitcoin with a credit card, because I think that's the most simple thing you can do. So first off, just sign up with your email and password. I won't get any details about your email or your passwords. Don't worry about that. Homepage, which will look like this in 2021 at least. So what you can see in the upper left hand corner is to buy crypto, and you can see credit debit card right here. So if you have a Visa or a MasterCard, you can simply just click here. So if you need to change your currency, you can do that if you want. I have Swedish kroner, but you can see there should be US dollars somewhere, USD right there. I have lots of different currencies right here, so you pick the one that suits you the most, and you can enter anything between 150 to 46,000. That's Swedish crowns. I'll see how much USD. 15 to 5,000 USD. So that's hopefully all you need. Let's just type in $15 for an example. So here you can see you can choose what coin you want to buy. So this has Bitcoin right now. You can choose Ethereum, XRP, BAT, Dogecoin. There's a couple of different cryptocurrencies to choose. I suggest you just go with Bitcoin. It's probably the best thing to start out with, and you can just trade it for other cryptos if you'd like that. But it's completely up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, so in terms of investing, I can't comment that. But you can see right here, new card, and buy BTC. Buy BTC, and here you'll see it. You will enter your card information. So this will just be your card number, expiry date, and security code, and that's pretty much it. So I won't show you my card number. So hopefully you can fill in the details yourself. We'll see what it looks like on the next page. What to do is to click pay now, and what will happen is this will be processed, and you will receive your Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency you chose. And I will show you what it looks like after you've actually made the payment and where you can find your cryptocurrency. You can choose fiat and spot, and you will get to something that looks like this. And this is the place where you can see all your cryptocurrencies and all your balances. So whatever you actually chose how much you wanted to invest, you will see your amount in Bitcoin value and total, and you can show your balance if you click right up here. So you can see your fiat balance, spot balance, and all that stuff. So whenever you want to withdraw or deposit or buy, or simply just trade your Bitcoin or whatever crypto you chose, you can just trade it and choose whatever crypto you want to trade it to We will see what type of withdrawal options they have. A bank with Swift, you can see right here, it will simply just be a bank transfer, and it usually takes 2 to 4 business days. And that's how simple it is. The cryptocurrency market constantly develops and comes with more convenient payment solutions and things like that. So, ordinary people like you and me, I'm not a tech guy, I'm not a programmer or a coder, and I barely even understand how, the blockchain technology and Bitcoin works. But, just buying with your credit card and debit card on an exchange like this, it's fairly convenient and simple thing to do, actually. So I hope this gave you some type of overview of how you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. There's other alternatives as well, but keep it as simple as possible at the beginning, and you can start trading and look for other cryptocurrencies to invest in later if you'd want that. So with this being said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to invest in any cryptocurrency. I just wanted to give you a tutorial and step by step show you how you can actually buy Bitcoin if you want that. So that's completely up to you, and it's your own responsibility. What happens with your investment after you've done your purchase, is entirely on you. So don't come here later if the price drops or if you lose your cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or whatever, because that's not my fault. So last of all, thank you for watching this, and subscribe to my channel, as I will probably come with more cryptocurrency tutorials and talk more about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. And mainly my channel is about making money online and talking about online business, because that's my primary thing. I'm doing affiliate marketing. So if you want, you can check out my other videos on how to get started with affiliate marketing, and keep your eyes open if you're open to making money online as well. So see you around, and have a nice day.